Welcome to my YouTube video. My name is Fatina Styles. If you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. So this video I am so excited for because this is my very first makeup look, and I thought that the perfect look to achieve on my channel would be a 5-minute makeup challenge. Now, I don't typically wear makeup every day, but when I do, I usually don't get a chance to take my time, and it's a rushed process, so I want to show what that process is in 5 minutes. A lot of times when we're rushing, we don't have a lot of time to get ready. We need some type of routine that we can utilize as an everyday look to still look put together. So that's what I'm going to hopefully achieve in this video, 5-minute makeup look. And I'm kind of nervous, but I know I can do it. You got it, girl. You can do this. You got it, girl. Just gotta tell myself. So we're gonna do 5 minutes. So I have my phone. The timer is set to 5 minutes. So get ready. Y'all ready? I'm not. My heart's pounding. It's okay, girl. You got this. All right. So we're gonna press start in 5, 4, 3, 2, start. 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm gonna start with foundation. I'm not gonna mention the products. I'll just put it on the screen so you all can see, because that'll take more of my time. And I'm just gonna periodically look down as the clock does so I can see how I'm doing on time. But usually it's literally just rushing, throwing foundation on. Sometimes I don't use foundation every day. Sometimes I'll just do like mascara and a lip. It just depends on where I'm going. But most do, so I want to make sure that I achieve a look that a lot of people can utilize. Okay, so I'm just applying some concealer. And I'm going to use my fingers because usually with less time, you don't have time to be fiddling around with brushes and sponges and all of that. I usually use my finger most of the time. Even when I do have more than 5 minutes, say I have like 20 to 30 minutes to get ready, I still will use my finger depending on the product, because it's just my style and what is that? And it's what's worked for me. So we're at, oh my gosh, we're at 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Girl, stop talking. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder to conceal that. Oh, getting it in my eyes. I'm usually not this wild because I'm usually looking in the mirror in my bathroom, but this is what I got right now. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer. And I'm literally taking this time like I'm crazy. Now I'm gonna fix that concealer, and we're at 2 minutes, 59 seconds. So I gotta get this thing on a roll. Okay, so next I'm going to, oh, my brush is falling out. I need a new brush. Ooh. Okay, so next I'm gonna apply my highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters by Fenty Beauty. And this is perfect because you can use this as a multi product. So you can use it as highlighter, you can use it as eyeshadow, a little bit of lipstick, however you want to use it. Okay, next I'm going to take my bronzer again, and I'm going to apply that to my lid in the crease. And then I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeshadow and just pop that right on top of my lid. This is if you want like a really nice look. A really nice, like, I actually took the time to do my makeup look, but you really didn't. You just slapped it on, but nobody has to know. Okay, oh gosh, we're at 1 minute 56 seconds. Okay, so then next I'm going to, oh, I don't typically do my brows, but just do a little bit of, oh, I just broke it. So we're not gonna do brows. I'm going to skip to my mascara. And this mascara, honey, look at this, honey. Can we just, yes, okay. We don't got time for that. I'll show you later. Okay, so I'm at 1 minute, 20 seconds. I like to do the outer corner of the bottom lash, but not the entire lash, because I feel like it just closes up my eyes. So then next, I'm going to do my, what's next? See, I got 60 seconds. I'm gonna put a little bit in my inner corner, brow bone, do my lips. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit more highlighter and apply it just to certain high points on my face that I like to. Okay, I'm at 40 seconds. Spray, 30 seconds, y'all. I don't always do eyeliner. Look at me. Y'all, look at this. Good gosh. Oh my. 15 seconds. I'm gonna clean it up. Don't worry. Don't worry. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Honey. 5 minutes is up. Okay, let's stop that. But I just want to talk about this look really quick. So this is a look that I typically do as an everyday, really quick makeup look. This is actually the first time I've used this ColourPop, what is this called? Super Shock Shadow. I have used another color. This is in the color Fluffy. I typically use this one in Lovely. They're very similar. Let me just show you. And they're good everyday or highlighter type colors. So this is the Fluffy. This one is more of a golden color, and this is Lovely, which I typically use more. And this one is more of like I don't know. This is more of like a light golden. It's not as gold. It's a little more beige. So that's the one that I usually use, but I want to try something different for this look. And like I mentioned, I don't always use eyeliner. If I do eyeliner, I'll just do the ends and just do like a quick wing, but that depends on how much of a dramatic look I want. I don't always do my eyebrows. I usually just take my little spoolie, brush them out, and I'm done. Sometimes I will fill in, like there's like little sparse areas here and a little bit on my tail there, a little bit right here. But if I brush it good enough, I don't even need to, like I could just like fill it in like that. I don't even need to do anything to my eyebrows. Thank God. It took a while. They went through a little struggle period, but you know, we got them back full and alive. Mascara is my #1 thing. If I don't put on any makeup and I'm going out of the house, I make sure to at least have a lip and mascara, because it just opens your eyes and it just brightens you up. So that, what I typically use every day is what is this? The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This stuff is bomb.com. I'll do a combination. I'll actually mix it with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, and then I'll add the Voluminous by L'Oreal. But I recently got my hands on this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is a mascara that is like has been raved about. Apparently you don't even have to curl your lashes when you put this on. So I wanted to give it a try, and let's just say you got me on this one, because I typically do curl my lashes, which takes about 20 seconds to do, because what I'll do is just put it on my eye, and I do this before I apply mascara, by the way. Put it on my eye, and I'll just lean it at an angle, and I'll just hold it, and I'll count to about 10 seconds. And once I get to that 10 seconds, I'll release it, and I'll do the other eye. Do the same thing to the other eye. So we'll just put it on. And like I mentioned, I do it before mascara, because if I don't, it sometimes gets stuck, and I don't want to rip out my lashes. And once I do about 10 seconds, just take it off. So this is the look that I get with my lashes being curled with the eyelash curler. So look at these, look at these, look at these. Just great. Yeah, so that is about it. This is the lip I typically do every day. It's a nice pinky nude type lip color. And yeah, like I mentioned, I will list all of the products that I use in the description box below, and hopefully I'll try to also list it on the screen as I'm using it. We'll see, but if not, it'll be down in the description box below. So I hope that you enjoyed this makeup video and that you found it useful, just knowing what products that I use to achieve this look in 5 minutes. Like I said, that you can use minimal products to achieve this. It's just all about putting it together and making it look good when you have little to no time. And this look I have done in the car before. I don't recommend you do that, but you know, for those girls who do their makeup in the car, you know what I'm talking about. That's the best makeup look that you ever can have. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe. I am new, so I need your subscriptions, guys, so I can keep making videos, so I know that you guys want videos from me. But other than that, make sure that you share this video. If you have any tips that you like to use for quickly doing makeup, make sure you leave that down below so that we can share. Maybe I can incorporate that into my next video, or if there's anything else that you want to see. I hope that you like and share. Until next time, see you in the next one.